ArchiCAD 14 turns IFC technology into full-fledged workflow solutions, enabling collaboration with engineers regardless of their discipline or the name and version of the application they prefer working with. Let's switch to Graphisoft ArchiCAD first and have a look at the ground floor plan of the office building. Please note the column grid on the floor plan. Let's switch to the 3D view. Now we'll export this architectural model to Revit Structure. All we need to do is activate the File, Save As command, and select IFC as file type. The translator pop-up list contains a set of translators optimized for the smooth information exchange with specific engineering applications. Let's select Revit Structure from the list, and ArchiCAD will create an IFC database optimized to open with Autodesk Revit Structure. Let's switch to Autodesk Revit Structure now and open the previously saved project file. As you can see, the floor plan view looks the same as the floor plan in Graphisoft ArchiCAD. However, the structural grids are not yet displayed in Autodesk Revit Structure. Graphisoft created a free add-in for Revit Structure to improve the conversion of certain important IFC items. All you need to do is to click the Improve IFC Exchange button under the Add-ins menu of Revit Structure. After completion, a dialog will summarize the results of the model improvement. In this case, 23 construction grids have been added and 12 profiles have been corrected in the Autodesk Revit structural model. Now the previously filtered and exported architectural model, created in Graphisoft ArchiCAD, is imported in Revit Structure perfectly optimized for the structural engineer's needs. Let's now switch to Autodesk Revit MEP, where the mechanical engineer has created the MEP model of the office building presented earlier. You can see the various ducts and duct fittings in the floor plan view as well as the Revit MEP systems in 3D. Let's display the instance properties of one of the selected MEP ducts in Revit. Now the MEP engineer will export the Autodesk Revit MEP model for the architect who is using Graphisoft ArchiCAD. The ArchiCAD connection, Revit MEP add-in, will optimize the IFC file export containing MEP elements for the ArchiCAD import. At the end of the export, a dialog will display the type as well as the number of exported elements. Let's switch to Graphisoft ArchiCAD now and merge the previously exported MEP project model. All we need to do is to select the previously created IFC model file and select the appropriate translator from the list. In our case, we will select the Data Exchange with Revit MEP translator. The MEP model is correctly displayed in ArchiCAD 14. All the MEP system elements, ducts as well as fittings, are visible and partitioned correctly. There is no need for any manual after processing. Let's switch to the 3D view now to see if these imported MEP elements remained an integrated system or if they broke up into several disconnected objects. The best proof is if we select one of the duct elements and modify its position with the help of the PET palette. As you can see, the duct stayed connected and the whole imported Revit MEP system kept its intelligence. ArchiCAD 14 can also perform collision detection to see if there is interference between any of the MEP as well as the architectural model. Graphisoft ArchiCAD 14 is an open system that provides a streamlined connection to most of the leading global and local engineering solutions, including Tekla Structures, Nemetschek Skia and Allplan, Autodesk Revit Structure and MEP, AutoCAD MEP, DDS CAD, and so on.